Hey everybody, this is Mark at the Clay Library at Clayfields again, flying my Waco. I've got, I don't know if you can see it or not, but way right up there is a breeze. We're going to take some video with that, of this. So I've got to, let's tell it to record. Alright, we're recording. Too windy for a takeoff on a little field, so here's a hand launch. Perfect. Try to keep it close. Winds are about, let's say about 7, gusting to 10 at times, and then sometimes none. That is full throttle right there into the wind. Not doing my best flying today. By far not my best. That's about a third throttle right there into the wind. Now the wind's died. I've only been flying a few months. Let's see if we can do a cool shot. Not that. Let's get some speed up. God, I am not flying very well at all today. Not at all, man. I don't know if y'all see this video or not. Oh, why not? And that wind is blowing hard up there. I always want to give a shout out to my good buddy Rick McDowell out in California. He kind of got me into this. He's going to make me bankrupt one day. That's alright, I'm having fun. I am flying that way too high for y'all. So let's... I also mentioned a YouTube channel that I really liked when I used to fly drones a lot. I started out watching these guys, and they give really honest reviews. If they don't like it, they don't like it. And that would be Nate and Abby on RC Sailors. Really cool people, and really enjoy all their videos, whether it be the RC cars, rock climbers, planes, or drones. I always have a good time with their videos. So hey, Nate and Abby, maybe make it up to wherever you live in Kentucky one day and watch you fly. Yeah, we're not doing too good today flying. It's pretty pitiful, as a matter of fact. I just had a really good flight. I don't know what's up with this. Also just broke a prop adapter on it. But luckily I had two for the timber that fit. Tried to take off in the wind, she nosed over and broke the prop adapter off. Okay, let's try not crashing her, but doing a couple of rolls. She is snappy. I like it. Wind is really rocking her. Let's turn around, go downwind, and do a inverted. Try not to hit that light pole that I've hit. The breeze will land on its own, so I'm not worried about that. And you can tell when she's going upwind. I don't see the breeze. She must be coming down somewhere. Okay, so I'm going to land this thing too. I hear her over my head, so she's over to my right somewhere. Oh, almost perfect. Alright guys, where is she? Oh, there's the breeze coming in. She's coming down. She's had enough. She should land right over here. And she's in for a landing. Alright guys, thanks. Maybe next flight I'll do better. See ya.